The PSP Media Suite is an open source app and it simplifies downloading videos and music to your PSP. It automatically does the conversions and the encodings that the PSP wants. All you need to do is search and select what you want to download over to your PSP. It also lets you send multiple videos and music together, which I will show you all in a moment. But first, let's plug this PSP in and open USB connection. The Linux version includes an install script, so you can run that and it will automatically create a desktop entry for you. On the top right side, you can choose between the internal storage if you have a PSP Go or use the external memory stick storage. Below that is the device selection drop-down and you can hit refresh and it will automatically try to detect your PSP's mass storage device. After all that's done, you can go ahead and select between the music and video tabs. I'm going to try and search for some NCS music. Hit the enter key. And it will load up the search results. Now just click add music. I'll also do one more. If you can't find the thing that you wanted, you can hit load more. This one is good, and I'll add that to the queue. Now let's also add some videos. So I'm going to, let's say, search for Iron Man versus F-22, the scene from Iron Man 1. I remember being so happy about downloading the same video on my Nokia Symbian phone back in the day when Iron Man 1 first released. I'll keep this clock over here. Let's try and search for a scene from Suits. So Harvey Specter scene. And let's add this 2-minute video. And we have about 6 minutes worth of video files and a couple of music files. So let's see how fast the app downloads, converts, and then sends it to the PSP. Let's hit send. And I'll just grab a cup of tea and come back. Oh, okay, it's already done the task. And let's see, it took about 1 minute and 15 seconds to download, convert, and transfer 6 minutes of video files and a couple of music files. Now I can disconnect the PSP, go to its music folder, and let's see. Yep, we do have the NCS music. And I know it must get a lot of praise already from the community, but these visualizations are so cool. Do modern handhelds even have these kind of extra effort, extra features added into them by the developers? And we also have the second song right here. Now let's check the two videos that we selected. Let's see. Yeah, this one. I'll mute the audio because I don't want a copyright strike from Christopher Ting. But yeah, it works. Let's see the second video. So that's about it for this demo. And it's an open source app for the community, so you can go ahead and build it yourself. And the compiled versions are available on GitHub releases. So go ahead and check them out from the link in the description. Thanks for watching.